Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to install XDMS. Go to your default browser, maybe Mozilla Firefox or um, Internet Explorer like mine. Sorry. You go to the website, which is MapleStory. I'm sorry, ms.xdreamer.net. This hype will pop up. Close. Piece of shit. You go to the forums because the client download button is broken. I have no idea why. So these are the forums. If you need to register, then do so because you need it. Click on XDMS after registering. Click on XDMS announcements. Okay. Then click on XDMS 51K version 6 to client. Then you'll see this MediaFire, FileFront, whatever. I myself downloaded the FileFront one because it's slightly faster and MediaFire has like a waiting time or something, I think. If those don't work for you, then you can download either of the mirrors. And if you get like an error saying missing stuff like this, you can download it through here. Okay, so there was one thing. Oh, sorry. 2 steps back, 3 steps back. On Meebo XDMS, it's in notice. There was this thing. Oh, it's here. You can download in 10 parts and other thingies. Maybe if you need it in 10 parts, then this is the thing for you. They were like 97 megabytes per part or something, if I recall correctly. Well, once you've downloaded everything and extracted it, then go to the place where you've downloaded it to, double click it, installer pops up, and then when you can change your directory, if you have regular MapleStory already installed, oh, wrong folder, next on. Then this is my normal regular MapleStory, blah. And this is my Extremer MapleStory, which I've renamed to version 62. Well, if you like install everything in here, then it'll look something like this. Anyway, make sure you don't have a file called patcher.exe, like patcher.exe, like that. Because if you do, then it'll patch, and that's like not good. So yeah, that's basically everything you need to do. Yeah, this is my cute background. I have no idea why I got it. I thought it was cute. Anyway, you have to make a desktop link yourself. At least that's what I had to do. This is my vote button. So yeah, this was like basic tutorial on how to. Anyway, have fun, yo, playing. Peace.